Hi everybody, Pat Laurie with Headline Productions reporting from the East Coast where, if you're like me, you might be home, stuck in your house because there's a massive snowstorm going on. But you might have ventured into the office as well, and then half of your team couldn't make it because the trip was just too long. So what do? What can you do to be productive? Well, I'm not gonna waste my day away. I have an incredible plan. I'm very excited about it. I'm gonna tell you about that in 1 minute. But one point that I wanna make to you today on this snowstorm day, if you're in the Northeast, is that, you know, if you're not growing, you're shrinking. We've all heard this term. If you're not learning, you're losing. And this is so true, especially given the workforce that we're in right now, corporate America, whether you're in marketing, whether you are actually an entrepreneur, you need to learn more and more and more skills. They keep piling it on. One of the skills that we hear more and more about is video. And you have to have the skills to be a good storyteller. And just because you have a smartphone or a camera that's gonna dumb it down for you and you know how to hit that red record button doesn't mean that you're gonna be effective at storytelling. You really need the skills. And some of the things that I love to do, and throughout my entire career, I've enjoyed meeting new people, storytelling, and learning new skills, and really making a small difference in the world. So I encourage you to learn something new. And what I'm gonna do today is, ta-da! I'm gonna be learning how to use this new device, and it's a Raspberry microphone. It's made by Blue, and it actually plugs into my iPhone. So I'm going to be going out on the road. I'm going to be interviewing people. I'm going to be learning all about their stories, new skills. It's going to be a really incredible year for me. But the first step really is learning the software, because this is sort of the way that the world has come down to now. You got to go out, you got to record it yourself, you got to edit it yourself, and you got to put it out there, right? Is your company asking you to post to social media? Probably. So this is what I'm going to be learning to do today, and I want to hear from you. What are you learning? What new skills in your field are required that maybe weren't required, let's say, 12 months ago? I want to hear from you. I hope you have a productive day. I'm Pat Laurie, and I will talk to you later.